Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the stopwatch feature on your Casio G-Shock Module QW3475 watch. So first let me say this is one of those features, like a lot of things on this watch, where it works, but it's definitely nothing great. There's a lot of other watches out there that have more functionality in terms of the stopwatch. But I'll show you this nonetheless, and you can make that decision for yourself. Like other Casio watches, you've got to get to the stopwatch mode. There's no other way to see your stopwatch unless you're in the stopwatch setting. Now, I will say this, if you're doing a run activity, you can see your elapsed time in that activity, but we're just looking at the basic stopwatch functionality here. I'm going to press the mode button a couple times. I'm in my main timekeeping mode here. Once takes you to your heart rate mode, another time will take you to your workout mode, and then the third time will take you to your stopwatch mode. The thing I was saying about it being lacking is this is your display here. If I try and change the display, there's no other options. The middle button on the left-hand side will be your start button. It'll be your stop button, your resume button. The bottom right button is going to act as your split time or your lap time, and it'll also act as your resume or review button. So let me go ahead and I'm going to stop this. It will reset your stopwatch. So now that my stopwatch is stopped, if I press the back button, it will reset back to 0. I'll show you the split timer option. So while your stopwatch is running, if you wanted to do a lap time or a split time, you can simply press the bottom right button, your lap button, and you'll notice it says split. If you want to release the split, you can press it again. Now the split is gone. If you want to have that split time, so you'll notice that my split was at 15. If I stop my stopwatch, I can press the back button and I've got my split at 15 and then my total elapsed time at 23 seconds. Basically just like any other stopwatch. The thing I wish they would have done different on this is you'll notice down here at the bottom it's got my current time, which I have no problem with that, and up at the top right it's got my battery level. I don't really have a problem with that. In the middle section here, you've got your heart rate zone or your current heart rate. Somebody like me, I've got heart rate turned off. I can't change this. I would have rather had my split time down here and my total elapsed stopwatch time up at the top. But unfortunately, they don't give you any option to change that value. So you're always going to see your heart rate information while you're in your stopwatch, which to me is just kind of bizarre. Anyway, you can press the back button to reset back to 0, and then once you're totally done, you can simply press the mode button a couple times to get back to your timekeeping mode, or you can always press and hold the back button to get back to your main timekeeping mode. That's a quick look at using the stopwatch feature on your G-Shock QW3475 watch. I hope the video made sense. Thanks for watching.